Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make something that's basically a hug if hugs were full of taco meat.
All right, let's make taco buns. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we love Alton Brown. Recently, I saw Alton Brown make sloppy joes, but sloppy joe buns, kind of like a pork bun. Instead of filled with delicious pork, he filled it with sloppy joe filling, and I said, what a great idea. We could do that with other stuff. So today, we're gonna do kind of a similar thing, but we're gonna make like a kind of a taco meat sort of a filling, put that into the buns, but we're gonna do it an easier way and not make our buns from scratch. So it'll be something you can put together pretty quick, and I think it'll be delicious. So without further ado, let's go. So we're gonna start with some veggies. So we'll go with an onion and a jalapeno. Then we just go ahead and dice this onion. I'm not crying, you're crying. Holy shit, this one's bad. Whew.
Just breathe, buddy. You'll be okay.
And the jalapeno. And just get a nice fine dice. Then in the hot pan on medium heat, we go ahead and add a little bit of oil. You can use butter, whatever you want. And then we throw in our onions and our peppers. Just stir these guys around, get them cooking. I'm gonna hit these guys with a little bit of kosher salt and just help them soften and get a little color. And then we just wanna get these guys cooking and cook them for a few minutes. Once we have a little color, we'll clear out a little landing spot. Just a couple of drops of oil, or way too much like I just did. Whatever, it'll work. Then we want to throw in a few cloves of minced garlic or garlic paste if you're lazy like me. Let that cook for a minute until it gets fragrant. That's a lot of garlic paste. Good thing I like garlic. You know what? Use as much garlic as you want. We don't want that to burn, so we'll get that all stirred in. Nash has something to say. Then we throw in a pound of ground beef, get that nice and broken up, and get everything combined. Then we just get this cooking, get your meat nice and browned. Browned? Yeah, that's a word, Tim. Good job.
Your command of the English language is impressive.
And once your meat's brown and almost all the way cooked, then we just go ahead and add some taco seasoning. Now, normally we make our own seasonings, but you know what? Sometimes it's okay to use a packet or pre-made seasoning. Ain't nothing wrong with that, because it saves time. And this isn't supposed to be an overly complicated recipe. So we get that all stirred in, get everything seasoned. I'm gonna add some chipotle chili powder for some extra flavor and a little spice. And then once your beef is all cooked, then we can go ahead and kill the heat and let it cool a little bit. Now we can make our own dough, or we could just cheat and use Grand's biscuits. So that's what we're gonna do. So just like all of these, you tear this piece off, and then you just whack it off. That didn't sound right. At some point you want to preheat your oven to 375. I'll put these guys off to the side. Then we want to take one of these guys and just roll it out. We want to keep that circle shape. We just want to roll it out so it's kind of thinner, like a lot thinner. And we'll just take a spoonful of this, take a chunk of cotija cheese and just shove it right in the middle. And then we just want to take this guy and roll up, roll this up and kind of twist it, form it, do whatever it takes to do that. And then we want to make a nice, so it's a nice little ball, boom. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. Would this be easier if I floured my surface? Of course, but we didn't do that. So this is where we are, folks. So here's our little guys. Oh, they look so cute. And then we just want to hit the tops with a little bit of egg wash. So normally for like a pork bun or even Alton Brown's sloppy joes, he used like sesame seeds. I think that's kind of the move. But since these are like taco themed, I have this like crushed hatch chili peppers. So I'm just gonna sprinkle these all on the top. And then these go into our 375 degree oven for probably 20 to 25 minutes. I'll let you know as soon as we're done. And here's our guys right out of the oven. Looking good, looking good. Hot AF, so we're gonna let these guys cool a little bit. But just for funsies, these are super hot, so I don't recommend doing this, but look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. We got the cheese and the taco and the buttery bun. Oh, these are gonna be good. I'm excited. And there we have our taco buns. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's a freaking great idea. It's delicious. I mean, what's not to like? It's the nicely seasoned taco meat with that melty cheese all inside that fluffy, pillowy, buttery bun. It's delicious. Alton Brown, great idea on the Sloppy Joes. And you can take this and make it into a bunch of different stuff. Fill it with whatever you want to fill it with. I'm sure we'll do a few more. But either way, awesome idea. Give it a try. Whether it's taco meat, Sloppy Joes, or whatever, out of 10. And hey, that's what I think. But let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I found out that octopuses have 3 hearts. And somehow I still get emotionally attached to one tennis ball.
Well, check it out. We made these taco buns, just like Alton Brown's Sloppy Joe buns. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Okay, that's dangerous. Soft, buttery bread on the outside, seasoned taco goodness on the inside. I'd accidentally eat 6 of these.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Don't judge something by the way it's wrapped. Sometimes the best surprises are hiding inside.
Nash approves, I approve. Great dish, go make it. Thank you all so much for watching, really appreciate you all. If you enjoyed the video, go hit the like button. And if you want to check out more of our cool or crazy videos, go check them out somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.